Here we go. Okay, brothers and sisters, Kim Samples, handyman, and now custom fence builder. Of course, we're out here working on the fence. I wanted to show you, I've got this panel, the concrete's poured. I got the top decoration up here. I've still got quite a bit of work to do at the top to fix it like it's supposed to be. Coming around this way, I've got this panel. I've got one, two, got a mini panel here, so I had to kind of adjust it. And then I've got this back panel. I don't know if I already said this or not, but this panel and this panel, there's two panels here that I'm working on. This one's not finished. I was working on it earlier today. I've made this to where you can look right down here. The concrete will come up to the very top of right here and across here. This pole can be pulled out, and I've made these top two where they can be taken out, and that's why I have these PVC pieces here, so this whole piece could actually be slid out, because I wanted to be able to remove these two sections in case I ever want to move a couple of these buildings out of the back here, which in some time may happen. But I didn't want to make this solid where you couldn't take it out, so that's the reason this PVC is here, to help make it where you can pull it up. Then we come around this way. I've already got the part of the back panels done. We've got 1, 2, 3, 2.5 panels done here. The top's done. Still has to be finished up because it's not complete. And then down here we're going to put the gate. So as I get to that, we'll get onto that. But anyway, this is just a quick kind of update of how it's looking. It's looking pretty good. It's a lot of work, more work than I anticipated, but anyway, it's gonna hopefully it'll be very worthwhile when I get it all done, and we'll see how it looks. So have a blessed day, keep walking with Jesus, and talk to you on the next video.